Hello everyone, today we're here to show you our American Racing 215 custom mini bike. To begin, we've got this model here with the 212 Predator, featuring our 11-inch gas tank, Stinger exhaust, and our 22mm Mikuni carburetor with a Can-Am air filter. Go ahead and fire it up. Alright, that is sweet, but we'll be moving on to the next bike here. This is our murdered out all black 215, featuring the stock Titan gas tank with the side fill cap. Again, our Mikuni 22mm stage 1 kit with the fuel pump, and this is the Titan motor. Go ahead and fire this one up. And last but not least, we have our Cobalt Blue. Once again, stock motor. This one even has the stock exhaust. Go ahead and start it up. Alright everybody, thanks for joining us today. You can find these as kits and assembled on the Go Karts USA website.